Hello, Ben here again. Welcome to this latest installment from the Marine Channel, and here we are looking at this Mylius 66. She's called Schorsch. She has a German owner, hence the flag, and he's based in Italy. The boat is built in Italy, just 80 kilometers southwest of Milan, in somewhere called Piacenza. Let's get on board, because this is pretty cool, pretty fast, very, very light. 25 tons for a 66-foot boat, and it really is a racing machine. It's fast, it's speedy, it's low profile. Its sister boat, 65-foot version of this, won the Maxi Yacht race last year in Porto, so it's got heritage. Teak deck, I'm walking along here, very nice, well scrubbed, it's in fantastic condition, and I'm going to turn around and show you it in all its glory, so just drink this in, it's wonderful. So it's got code 0, jib, main, all carbon fibre. You've got the option of self-tacking jib if you're sort of short-handed, or you can take it down that way. Well, there we are, those all the way back to the helm station. Everything runs back to the helm. But that's not bad. Hall spars, everything's Hall. The mast, the boom, the rigging, the sister company of Hall. There we are. Lovely, entertaining space here. There's a couple of people downstairs, so we'll just wait before we go down there. But let's admire what we got up here first, because it's quite special. Twin wheel arrangement. And yeah, everything electric and at your fingertips. There we are. Main traveller, backstay, out hall. It's all there. Underneath this bit is space for a tender. There's one under there. It's a custom built tender, the one under there. This is 3.3 meters long with a 30 horsepower engine on the back, and the swim platform lowers. It's not lowered now because it would damage the bumping into the dock, but it lowers and then it rolls out on there, so that you can get about. But that's not bad, is it? Not bad at all. This boat, 3.3 million euros. Let's just check that. Yes, 3.3 million euros if you want one. But it comes tricked up with carbon fibre everything, and as I said, it's got heritage. It's a race winner. It's a fast boat. It's a very pretty boat too. It's not a, well, I suppose it is a cruiser racer, because we'll see downstairs it is incredibly comfortable down there. 3 cabins, all doubles, and then there's a crew cabin, just a single crew cabin, so it'll sleep 2, 4, 6, 7 with your crew if you need one. Beautiful saloon. Now, I don't know if you remember, or perhaps you haven't watched it, but the one we filmed a couple of years ago, the all black and white carbon fibre Mylius, didn't look like this. It was much more stark. It was all black, all white, and it's all customizable though. So the owner's gone for this nice wood and white leather, but it's lovely down here, isn't it? It's cool too. There's 3 cabins down here. Let's go and have a look at the forward cabin first, and then we'll have a look at the galley on the way out. Here we are. The boat's name is Schorsch, so there's lots of Schorsch branding everywhere, but that's a fantastic size master, isn't it? Really nice. Loads of cupboard space. Let's have a look. Oh, can't open it. Nope, there's loads of cupboard space. There's one. There's another one, and then drawers everywhere. There's the bed. Nice little windows either side. Very nice. And then the heads, very civilized. There's a little bit of natural light and air. It does feel lovely and light down here, which is a nice thing, and not at all stuffy. Really quite spacious. And there's a carbon fibre door to this, just to prove that everything's full on carbon fibre. There we are. Good space, eh? Right, let's go and have a quick look at the galley. And then there's 2 aft cabins, one of which is in use, but the other one, no, it's not. Here's the galley. What have we got? There's a washing machine. So although it's a performance racer, it's also a comfortable racer. And there's your oven and hobs on a gimbal. Little swing around in the breeze. Huge sink. Sort of mini job. Dishwasher. You name it. Well appointed. And loads of space. And then this sort of extra bit on the starboard side. Sort of drinks making area, coffee machine, all that sort of stuff. Very cool indeed. Right. Aft cabin number 1 is a nice little twin. There we go. Again, very spacious. Light, airy. Does feel airy. There's lots of little hatches up here, there, and then obviously lighting everywhere, but that's comfortable. And then behind me, I'm facing a cupboard, a wardrobe looking cupboard, and here are the heads for this one. Again, that's any lights? No. But there's some natural light up there, and you can see. Pretty cool, eh? Very nice. Let's whiz round to the other side. Past the chart table. The owner was doing some emails a second ago. Here he comes. So there we are. Good space for the laptop and your charts, depending on what you're up to, where you are. And this looks like a mirror image of the one we've just been in. So a twin back here. So 2, 4, 6 guests, and it's a similar layout. Well, it looks exactly the same to the one on the other side. There's also crew accommodation, which I would have missed had it not been for the owner pointing it out. But here we go. In here, I think there's just a single bunk. Yeah, which is, I mean, loads of storage underneath his or hers. Quite high level bed up there, but that looks cozy. And yep, private heads as well, very nice looking too. So they haven't scrimped on the staff, which is nice. So in the unlikely event that the wind isn't powering this baby along super fast, then you've got 170 horsepower Yanmar down here, and a day tank next to it that holds 200 litres, and the main fuel tank, which is elsewhere, with 1,000 litres to power you along. So there we go. The keel is 3.6 meters. You can drop that down. So the reason it's it's a cruiser racer, not a racer cruiser. As I mentioned, the 65-foot one, the Portacervo Maxi race, but this one is a cruiser racer, so it's more focused on luxury, as we've seen. But you strip all that stuff out, put a longer keel on, and it really is a race winner. So there we go. She's lovely and fast and has got everything you'd need. So thanks for watching. Keep liking us, keep subscribing, keep doing what you need to do to keep us doing what we need to do, and we'll keep bringing you beautiful things like this, because that's what we like. Thanks for watching.